Hey folks, Green Stuff Gav here. This week we've got another of the We Print Miniatures mystery boxes. As you can see, this one's had a little bit of damage in transit, so hopefully everything inside is fine. For those who haven't seen any of the other videos, weprintminiatures.com do a range of 3D printed miniatures from different sculptors, and they sell mystery boxes. So they sell the prints individually, as well as you can get a box of 3. So whether this one, which is just random across the ranges, sci-fi specific, fantasy specific, fantasy football specific, whatever. So thought we'd open up, take a look, see what we've got. So what we got. That you guys don't need to see. Nice new card. We've got a few of those. 3 32mm bases. No GW ones this time. And more importantly, let's see what miniatures we've got and how well they've suffered through the post. So, yep, we have got some breakages, or at least one. See, leg snapped clean off. I'm not happy about that, but it should glue easy enough. Oh, it's like a heavyset trooper with welding mask and melter thing. A little bit of flex there where it's been stood on. Lovely crisp sculpt though. A few supports left in there, but not a lot to worry about. Very cool. A little sensor on the top of the mask as well. Guardsman with a melter gun, perhaps. Leave him there. I'll put his leg back in the bag so I don't lose it. What's this next one? Oh, that's cool. That's a sci-fi Geralt? Cable, perhaps? Love all these little magazines and all the zip detail. Nice meaty pistol. I think just a nice tech merc. Very cool. Ooh, this looks. Oh, this one's broken a bug already. I don't know what they're off, but they're got 2 dangly strap things. Very Bubblegum Crisis. Look at this little Evo suit. Presumably that's not. I don't know. Got half a staff. Might have to look to see if that's complete or not. If so, that could be the first miscast we've had. I think that's a misprint. Even on top of it being stood on. Lovely sleek lines, and look at all these panel lines. Yeah, she's missing a toe. I might have to message them about that. Very cool though. Yeah, there you go. So that's where these 2 come off. So two straps. That's crazy. I'd be surprised if any of them turn up all right. But yeah, so she's missing a staff and a toe. Presumably, I'll have a look on the WePrint Miniatures website to find out. But yeah, it's very Bubblegum Crisis. I like that. That's a nice sculpt. It's lovely and clean. Clean lines. Oh, well. So a bit disappointing with the shipping. Or potentially misprint. We will have to take some photos and have a look on the website, see what I think. But Bubblegum Crisis, it's damaged. The guardsman, well, potentially guardsman or sci-fi trooper. But at least this guy's all right. Yeah, some cool miniatures though, gorgeous miniatures. We'll have to see. As always, thanks for watching and have fun. So, slight update. I messaged the guys from WePrint Miniatures about the 2 broken ones in the last box, and they sent us a whole box. So rather than do that as a separate one, I thought I'd stick this on the same video. So, let's have a look. Yeah, replacement box for miniature. Same card as always. For the last few. 3 bases. Let's see what they sent us as an apology for the dodgy broken ones. Turns out the Bubblegum Crisis miniature was horribly miscast, so they have stopped selling it, which is why it won't be linked on the thing. So what we got here? We've got a Sephiroth. Is it Sephiroth? It's a Final Fantasy guy. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it's got to be Sephiroth, the one-winged angel, isn't he? Something like that. I'm not too good with the Final Fantasy. But look at all this detail on the shirt there, and how wonderfully crisp all this detail is. Got some supports on the underside, but nothing too much to worry about. Wow, very cool. We've got a gnome wizard. Again, supports left, but look at how that lovely detail, lovely characterful. That little face on him. Maybe a witch hunter rather than a witch hunter rather than a wizard, but or adventure with his torch. Scrolls. Lovely little book. Very nice. Ooh. Made with loads of little cocktail sausages on cocktail sticks. Look how fine those are. A lump of cheese. It's amazing how far they can push. I don't know if you can see through. You can actually see through that tray. So thin. Yeah. Nice, simple lines for as waitress, but then like all this little intricate detail on the tray itself. Wow. Yeah, I'll give the WePrint Miniatures guys their due. Is obviously I sent them a photo of the busted 2, and they said, yeah, we'll send you a replacement box out free of charge, which was really cool. So yeah, I prefer these to the ones in the previous box anyway. I think these great miniatures. Thanks for watching. Have fun.